Hello vloggies. Oh, going into darkness now. That's a bit better. I am off for a night evening out. It is absolutely persistently raining, but never mind. Oh, I can't get a good light by and my phone's getting wet. We're not having a good day. Have you all had a nice Christmas? I had a fantastic Christmas myself. Didn't eat much. I gave most of my dinner away, but it was really nice to spend with my family, and I thoroughly enjoyed. Oh, you got a face full of me then. I'm trying to keep my phone out of the rain. As you can see, it's very rainy. It looks like I got a scar. Hello. So yes, I meeting some friends down at the local club, and then we're going on to another friend's pub where I'm hoping it's karaoke, because I can have a couple of vodkas and then I'm hoping I can bang out a bit of Jessie J Bang Bang. That should be fun. Oh, and it's getting windy. That's very cold. Oh my dear God, I don't like it. So yes, Santa was very good to me. I had lots of presents. Must have been a very good girl this year. Yeah, and my mother had a wonderful Christmas, which is good because I had to worry about her. But it was good. I got a raindrop and it's dribbling right down my top lip. That's not good at all. I spent forever doing my makeup and it's getting ruined. And my hair. But never mind. A couple of vodkas inside me and I'm not going to know really, am I? I'm not going to care much. Oh, we're coming into the light again. Oh, there you are. Hello. And I'm wearing kitten heels, as you can hear. Actually, you should. Ooh, very shiny. And they're proper stiletto. I could do some damage with these. My hair on my lip. And I think 6 months ago, there is no way in hell that I could have worn these around the house. Never mind walk. Even with a short distance, to me it's a big leap. Even though I'm walking to the pub. And I would have had to put flat shoes on, walking shoes, but touch wood, I'm still going pretty well in these. But we're here at the club now, so I shall leave you to it. Might pop back a bit later. Oh, hello. Puh. Might pop back a bit later, but it'll be a drunk update. So, see you later, guys.